Hi, my name is Mike Leathers. I've been in the heavy building construction materials business for the past 25 years. Sometimes you come across a game changer throughout your business experiences. We experienced something like this several years back when we invited Nathan Jamail to be a speaker at our company. And Nathan Jamail is the best speaker at a company event we have ever had. His style, his experience, his knowledge, and his passion are second to none. We had a great experience. He taught us about empowered accountability, coaching, efforts, activities that lead to the right results. So whether you're a business that is struggling and needs to improve, or you're a good business that needs to get better and have continued improvements, I highly recommend that you book Nathan Jamail for your company event.
Nathan Jamail and his team came highly recommended to our company from a personal relationship as a keynote speaker. We had a direct sales leadership management training. We brought him in to hit some specific themes, and he came in, delivered meaningful content, relevant content, but just as importantly, he did it in a highly passionate way and in a very entertaining manner, which kept everybody engaged, which is not always easy with a group of salespeople gathering. I brought Nathan back not too long after to address my indirect sales team, which is just important to Tell Pacific. And similarly, we found his firsthand knowledge of our environment, of the sales environment, earned their credibility right out of the gate. And again, his passion, delivering in an entertaining style with stories that are meaningful and relevant, really left a lasting impression. Matter of fact, the direct sales management meeting and the indirect management meeting, we polled our team as to what were the highlights of those training sessions. Nathan scored #1 feedback from both parties. So I highly recommend working with Nathan Jamail in the future to help you grow your business and grow your revenue.
Just want to do a quick shout out and say thank you very much for being the keynote speaker at MooCon 2016. The principles and philosophies that you shared with the team still resound with us today, 6 months afterwards. Out of all the keynote speakers that we've had, your name continues to come up. Hey, have that sales leader playbook guy come back. He's the real deal. Again, Nathan, I want to say thank you very much. You are the real deal.
We've been fortunate to have Nathan speak at a number of our engagements. To be fair, it's almost 15 engagements worldwide. We've had him in 4 different countries around the world, which has just been great. Nathan's been really great with really impactful, high-energy presentations, really basic, driven principles that's easy to comprehend and execute. So Nathan's been great for our organization. He's helped some of our senior leadership, senior VPs, all the way down to frontline managers. I think Nathan can really drive value, not only with our organization, but I think he'd be a great value for your organization as well.